For years, I fell into the same trap, writing down my goals as if the simple act of writing them down would magically turn them into reality. But here's the thing, I never actually looked back at them, and let's be honest, most of them, I didn't even achieve them. Take the classic start training goal. Did you know that most people give up on that one before January even's over? Why? Because they go all in. Huge explanation, only to burn out fast. I have been there too. This year though, I'm done with goals. I'm not writing them down. I'm not putting that pressure on myself anymore. Instead, I have got a loose plan, a guide to focus on a few key things. Simple, manageable, and way less overwhelming. For example, instead of trying to chase every creative idea, I'm sticking to small tasks, like working on a weekly newsletter or making YouTube videos only when I feel inspired. No pressure. It's honestly freeing and I'm loving it. But I'm curious, what about you? Are goals still your thing, or are you ready to try a fresh approach?